Just got my hands on the new Insta360 GO3. In this video, we're going to do an unboxing video so you can see what you get inside the box if you're thinking of buying one of these cameras. And before we jump into that unboxing video, make sure you grab my video settings cheat sheet as well, which will be in the link in the description below. And these are all my favorite settings that you can plug straight into this camera to make sure you have the best settings for whatever you're shooting. Let's jump into the unboxing. Okay, so today we're doing an unboxing of the Insta360 GO3, tiny mighty action camera. And you're gonna be shocked how big this thing is. We've got 128 gigabytes of internal storage. And then the features on the side, we're still here. We're gonna open this up and unbox it and see what we get inside the box. It's a very cool package, magnet. This is the camera. And you'll notice that straight away this thing is so small. We've got our user guide, and it comes with some accessories. This clip, which you can attach to hats and caps and helmets, stuff like that, for filming when you're walking around. We then have the case for the camera, so the case will go in here, go in there like this. This is what it looks like. And we have our flip out screen, which is kind of cool. Very nice. Oh, connecting, turned on. We have a magnetic lanyard, so this is how you can wear this under a t-shirt and then snap the camera onto your chest so you can walk around with the camera. We've also got a mount, which is a buckle and a sticky pad. We've got a thread on the top there. And we also have this little unit, which again is how you can connect the camera to the selfie stick. Thread there. It's quite a solid piece of kit. And then inside here we have charging cable. So here we have all sorts of warranties, quick start guide, stickers, safety guidelines, and all that cool stuff, and how to use your accessories as well. And a spare magnet actually for your lanyard, which is quite cool. Okay, so that is the Insta360 GO3. So if that video was useful for you and it makes the buying decision easier if you're thinking of getting one of these cameras, any questions, pop them in the comments below. And make sure you also go and get my video settings cheat sheet. It's going to help you out a ton with whatever action camera you have and making sure you plug in the right settings. Take care, see you in the next video.